Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. They have a really cool 1968 Plymouth Barracuda. Finished in Viper Blue. Fresh paint. Brand new wheels. Brand new tires. It's got a 360 under the hood. Aluminum manifold. It's got Headman headers leading out to Flowmasters. Brand new brakes all the way around. Drums in the rear, disc up front. Front end's completely brand new. All new bushings and everything up front. Paint is really pretty. Interior's all brand new, right down to the headliner. Got some nice carbon fiber trim on it. Trunk's completely finished. Show you that real quick. This paint's got really nice metallic in it. I don't know if you could see that. Figure out how to open the front. Heck. Oh, here it is. Ah, too many keys. It's all finished, brand new. Looks really nice. This car is super solid. Buckets, console, brand new carpet, headliner, seats, dash pad. Door panels are great. I think those are all brand new too. Full Gauge Pac. It's got a Torqueflite in it. Custom stereo. Six by nines in the back. Brand new package tray as well. New in here. This paint is just killer. There you go. 360 aluminum radiator, brand new battery. Still got the trim tag on here. Headman headers. Looks like electronic ignition, MSC coil, Summit high-rise manifold, 600 carburetor. Really nice. Car. All the fitment is very nice. Chrome is super nice. It's a nice car. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399.